everyone, Annie Soliman here. I'm the owner and operator of Care Crew Home Care. We're based out of the Dallas-Fort Worth area in Texas. I just wanted to come on here and talk about our experience with Nick and the Digital Champions Group and Digital Lead Academy. Before I met Nick, we had a lot of big ideas about video. Fortunately, I was pretty comfortable doing video and being on camera, but just was not translating into consistent action as far as using that in our business. So when I first started talking to Nick, we had wanted to do a video podcast and he knew that. And what I loved about it was during our weekly calls, they're relatively small. So you do get a lot of one-on-one and interaction with other agency owners. Nick would hold my feet to the fire. He would make me get things down in a very specific way. Okay, when are you going to do it? Put it on the calendar. What time? What are you going to talk about? And then the next week, he's going to ask you how the recording went. So I loved that I had someone as an owner holding me accountable for the goals that I had set for myself. And so we've already seen that really play out well for us. We're on our third month of continuing our recording for our video podcast. We're starting to do some guest speakers on that. And Nick also helped us with streamlining our social media. So as an owner and marketer, I don't have a ton of time to manage social media posts, but it's important. And so what Nick did was helped us to develop templates in Canva so that we're able to just streamline it, change up the content, and schedule our posts. And literally in an hour or two, I can have several weeks done at a time. I didn't really believe him when he said it was possible, but it really is. And we just pick a theme. We get a whole bunch of content related to that theme. We get it all set up and it's done. And so I am super thankful for Nick and all of the wisdom he's imparted on me and my team. And we're so thankful to be a part of it. So if you're on the fence, what are you waiting for? Definitely sign up. It's worth its weight in gold. It's very valuable. So love Nick, love Digital Champions. Definitely need to check it out. Thanks, guys. Bye.